Hello, and welcome to the Fairness in Healthcare AI tutorial. My name is Aurangzeb Ahmad. I'm a research scientist at Kensa and an affiliate assistant professor at University of Washington, Bothell. This tutorial is a collaborative effort between myself, Christine Allen, Juhua Hu, Vikas Kumar, and Ankur Teredesai. Additional resources related to this tutorial on the topic of fairness in healthcare AI, as responsible AI in general, are available at the tutorial website listed here. The following is an overview of the tutorial outline. First, we will begin with a high-level overview of the foundational questions related to fairness in the context of healthcare AI and machine learning. Then we shall discuss how fairness is measured in this domain and in the context of responsible AI and machine learning in general, and what are the pitfalls related to that. And then we will talk about various aspects of operationalizing fairness in healthcare machine learning. What are the various recommended best practices? And then towards the end, we shall do a demonstration of an open source library that we have released, which is specifically catered towards computing the various metrics related to fairness in the context of healthcare, machine learning, and AI. And lastly, we will conclude with a summary of what we have presented so far and some recommendations for directions for the future. So to start off, I'll now hand over the podium to my colleague, Professor Ankur Teredesai.